welcome back to Australia. So now we're in the Gold Coast. In the last video, yesterday, I left you at the Waterfall National Park in the Gibraltar Ranges of the Great Dividing Range in New South Wales, and we're now in Queensland. And we've come up to the Tamberine National Park, a place called Eagle. Now I forgot, I want to say Eagle Mountain, that could be wrong. It's Eagle something. I'll put it across the bottom of the screen now. But we've come to a place called Curtis Falls, and from what I can see, after a quick Google search, it looks impressive. So hopefully there's enough water flowing today to make it look spectacular. But it looks like, yeah, it's looking promising. The river's just down there. So the plan today is, my father's gone to pick my brothers up from the airport. My sister Taylor's here. Lisa, my partner, and Amy, my daughter, are here as well. And we're going to come and have a look at these waterfalls, and then later on we're going to go and have a play on the high wires. We're going to, in the UK, we've got a lot of like a chain of like outdoor activities called like Go Ape, and it's basically you're suspended by a rope cable and you're climbing lots of obstacles high up. So that's tonight's or this afternoon's plan. 1:30 we're booked in for that. So let's have a look at this waterfall. That was really impressive. On to the next place now. This is pretty impressive. You like this? Yeah, it's good. It's like I'm a celebrity, get me out of here. Only without the celebrities, yeah.
Where's my dress cup?
Nee, wat maar. Nee.
Cat.
Wee.
Pop your first cricket on that half loop to surf.
Okay.
Then your second cricket goes in the cable
Right,
up
he's
there.
going first.
Okay.
Dad can. Dad
Right.
goes first and leads for them.
I don't mind, it's up to you.
Where do you want to be?
I'll be the slowest one at the back.
You want to be at the back? Okay. Put it on here first.
Yes.
One, go.
I just look at my clips.
Yeehaw! This is really cool. I'm enjoying this. Some of the like little flying fox pieces are really good. Looks like some bigger ones coming up.
I'm looking up on platform.
3. You right in there, Amy?
No way I'm letting go.
3, 2, and a 1, and a go. Woohoo! And we're there. Right, I'm making my way to the huge zip wire at the end. We're running out of time, so the supervisor's letting me skip a few bits. Right, this is it. Yippee-ki-yay, mother fluffers. Woohoo! That is awesome. So the guy tempted me with a few more zip lines to get back down to the office. Who am I to not take his offer? So I'm just going to run and jump this one. Yeah. All right, let's do it. So that was absolutely awesome. hopefully I managed to capture some really good footage with this. We'll soon see. We're going to head back now at the barbecue. I might even jump in the swimming pool. Yeah, I've not mentioned that yet. We've got a swimming pool at the Airbnb, so I'll get you some footage of that in a minute. Loving it here so far. Perfect weather.